We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how to make fresh, healthy, and delicious shrimp ceviche at home. I love it served as an appetizer or for a light meal. To start, we need a lot of fresh squeezed citrus juice. I'm using limes and lemon for this recipe, but you can always experiment with a different ratio of citrus or include a little orange for more sweetness. Fresh juice is what makes ceviche taste best. To get the most juice out of each fruit, we use a citrus reamer. This one didn't cost us much. Next up, we need some finely minced red onion, and since we are adding it raw, we like to deflame them with hot water. Letting the onion sit in hot water for a few seconds takes the raw heat off of the onion so it doesn't overpower the dish. For some crunch, we add cucumber. I just chop it into bite-sized pieces. Now don't forget, as usual, the full recipe with extra tips is on Inspired Taste. We love some spice from chilies. We use 2 chilies in the recipe, but remove the seeds first. If you want the ceviche to be spicy, leave some or all of the seeds intact. I like them to be finely minced. For even more fresh flavor, we add cilantro. I just roughly chop it. If you're not a fan, leave it out. Now before we move on, don't forget the deflamed onions from earlier. Traditionally, ceviche is made with raw seafood that's cooked in citrus juices. This means it is very important to use fresh caught shrimp. If you don't have access to fresh caught shrimp, we have a safer, foolproof option. We gently poach the shrimp first and then add it to the citrus juices and other ingredients to marinate. We realize this isn't traditional, but I promise it still tastes amazing. It only takes a few minutes to do. When cooked, lay the shrimp out onto your cutting board and cool. Then, when they are cool enough to handle, pull off the tails and chop into small pieces. Remember, if you have access to fresh caught shrimp, you can skip the poaching step. We've shared all of our tips in the recipe on Inspired Taste. Now it's time to put everything together. Add the shrimp to the other ingredients and pour over the citrus juices. Season with a little salt, then toss really well. Now press the shrimp down into the juices and marinate in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Then just before serving, we like to dice an avocado and stir it into the ceviche. Serve the ceviche straight away or within a few hours. It really is best enjoyed the day of making it, not that we've ever had any leftovers. And that's it, easy fresh shrimp ceviche. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.